Ha 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 ha. Welcome back guys. And currently sa ilalim ako ng cave. And baka nagtataka kayo kung bakit wala akong kagamit-gamit. Yun ay dahil ako ay namatay. Oh my god, ang dami ko na nakuwang loot. I think 13 diamonds yung nakuha ko. 3 stacks of iron. Then, yeah. Lahat ng yun ay nawala. But don't you worry guys, we have spare diamonds naman. And as long as siguro makagawa tayo ng pickaxe and axe, I think that's enough na. So, nirush ko lang to. But unfortunately, hindi enough yung 5 minutes since malaki masyado yung cave and medyo naligaw-ligaw ako. And bang! Okay. Oh my god, we only have 3 diamonds left. Huh. I will start my own strip mine. Okay, so we have here a zombie spawner. Malapit lang bandang farm ko. So, pwede natin gawing spawner ito. But, you know, meron tayong skeleton spawner guys eh. So, I mean, mas accessible to. But, yeah, we have the skeleton spawner na. So, okay, so far, 3 na yung spawner natin. Zombie, then etong spider. Okay, this is weird. I have 20 diamonds by going straight down. And now I am in this weird castle that I'm in this weird castle and hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Okay, looks like wala namang mobs or anything, though I cannot see. Okay, so we got soak sensor, knockback 3, power 3, portion of regeneration, glowberries, and potion of regeneration again. Comment down below guys kung anong tawag sa lugar na to since wala talaga akong idea kung ano tong lugar na to. God damn. Okay, what the fuck is that? Okay, I need to get away. Is that guy following me? He's big, bro. Oh no. Oh, huh. Wow. Medyo magiging mahirap to, guys. Oh no. What the? Oh no. Run! I need to get out. So, ganun lang ginagawa ko simula kanina pa. Basically, tumatakbo-takbo lang ako para hindi niya ako makita. So far, so good. Got 26 diamonds. I got some mending on me. You know, with some swift power knockback. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh crap. What's up guys? Tawag dito, nag-strip mine ako. Pero napunta pa rin ako sa cave na to. Unknown cave sa akin to guys. Ngayon ko lang siya totally nakita no. Sa update na to. And we got 19 diamonds, a bunch of redstone, tapos black rough iron. First time ko nakita yung ganyan. And then we also have the power 2 and swift sneak from the temple, no? Other than that, wala naman na. So, I think I'ma head out and save this loot kasi last time na naging greedy ako. Last time na naging greedy ako guys, namatay pa ako. Imbis na loot na, nahulog pa ako, nawala pa lahat, no? So, yeah, lesson learned. Let's go back. I think may idea ako kung anong pwede gawin. Since gumawa na tayo ng konting farm, or yung medyo farm natin, I think it's a good idea to go to Nether, guys. So, let's collect, I think, 8 blocks of obsidian. We need to go to Nether and we need to gather some quartz para makagawa tayo ng automated chicken farm. I think magiging super helpful yon para sa akin since wala tayong food source. Ang food source ko lang is bread. And para na rin mag-level up tayo ng mabilis-bilis since I think nakakalimang deaths na ako. Dapat level 30 na ako by now, but level 23 pa rin tayo since paulit-ulit tayo namamatay. Especially dito sa cave na to, men. So, let's gather up some obsidian. Let's head upstairs and let's go make a nether portal. Okay, let's head out sa lugar na to. Since napaka-bad memories ng lugar na to, puro death lang ang napapala ako rito. Eee! Sana makita ko saan nga ba? Okay, nilagyan ko na ng palatandaan. Let's head up, guys. Let's head up. I hate this place, man. I hate this place so much. I hate it. Let's place this nether thingy under since wala naman masyado akong nalagay rito. Yung ating zombie ata andito, zombie farm. I don't really remember. I guess this is my 3rd day making 2nd episode ng netong let's play na to. Okay, this area is dark. Let's actually put it over here. Right around here. Later on, ayusin natin yung lugar na to, guys. But for now, yan, okay na yan. Oh no. Okay, if I remember correctly, we need to get diamonds as well. Diamonds, book, and then iron. Iron and oil for flint and stone. Na hindi natin makuha, guys. Oh wow, there you go, finally. So meron na tayong recipe for flint and stone. Now we need the recipe for diamonds. Crafting table, which is 2 diamonds, and then our obsidian. We also need to make books, which is I'm not sure if meron ako, but should probably take this and put it right around this area. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, let's not actually focus on what we don't have. Let's focus on what we have right now, which is first to get or to light up our nether portal. I'm still thinking though. Yeah, later guys. I think I have an idea kung saan tayo makakuha ng ating looking good, mister. Looking good. Okay, let's actually go to the nether. Let's get some quartz to make at least something, to make something work in this. Oh, no. Oh, no. There. There's our quartz. Okay. And we spawned right near this area, which I don't think na ready ako right now. I don't think I'm ready for those type of adventures. Okay, we got what we want. Let's head back to our world. And let's go get this book thing, no, to make our enchantment. Let's proceed around this area. Because if I remember correctly, oh! Okay, if I remember it correctly, merong village pa ng Savannah over here. There you go. Oh, I should probably get my horse ready. I think I'm gonna grind it offline. I'm just gonna get a horse and then maybe do something else. Yeah, but we need to tame a horse sooner or later, but I cannot really show it all throughout the recording. So, I'm not sure kung paano ko gagawin yung let's play. I might do some work offline and then do some work or do this type of content like raw content. Not really a raw content, but you know, a pretty thorough type of video. So the main reasons why I'm killing a lot of cows is to get, you know, leather para makapaggawa tayo ng books. Hopefully, meron sila kahit isang book or else I might need to go search for a sugarcane. Bakit ba walang sugarcane? Or nearby lake para makuhanan ko ng sugarcane. Drinap ko kasi yung sugarcane guys eh. Let's head out. Our base is at north. So, if you want to go to our base, we just need to head north. So let's just go run for a while and look for a lake and get a sugarcane. Oh no. Oh, I actually managed to find a horse. And I managed to find this awesome place. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful area. Anyways, we managed to find a sugarcane. I think this is around, I don't know, 1,000 blocks out ng base ko. Win is a win, guys. I actually got to meron din pala din. Actually get to find another village, Savannah village around the corner. So, wala siya, nothing interesting though. So, I don't know kung saan makakakita ng kelp, but it should be underwater. Okay, no kelp. Let's head out. Okay, we got what we came for. It's time to go back to our place. Let's plant this sugarcane and let's finish kung ano man yung gagawin natin. Oh my god. Now we need to head that's west. We need to head north, so right around there. Okay. Let's head back. Okay guys, I'm not lying, but medyo matagal yung adventure ko para makakuha ng sugarcane. Oh my god. Nakanood ako na ang 3 episode ng Wildlife ni Ito. So naligaw ako, nawala yung buti na lang sa recording ko na isa is meron akong coordinates. So, na-manage kong makabalik dito sa base kahit papano. And why are they going here? Okay. Basically, we got everything we got what we need. We got books. We can craft this. Whew. Okay, let's actually sort everything out first. And today, for the last time, na gusto ko gawin in this episode is to make an automated cow farm. And that means a lot of breeding purse. Pero not so much ng materials since ang pinaka tax lang naman na materials dun to get was the nether quartz, no? Which is na-accomplish naman natin, so we shouldn't really have any problem. Okay, so while I was gathering some resources, napunta ulit ako dito sa base natin, and sad to say, our base looks kinda shitty right now. But guys, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Wala pa akong nakikitang proper base na para magaya. Wala pa akong inspiration talaga and to build or to imagine kung ano ba yung pwedeng maging itsura ng base, no? I'm still gathering some resources. I think I'm close to, finishing what needs to be done. I just need some hoppers. What else? Wait. I need some hoppers. I need some signs. Pretty basic stuff. I got everything that I need. Oh, I also need lava. And let's create this one. Alright, preparations done. I got every single thing that I need to make my farm possible, guys. So, almost kompleto na. Ang kulang na lang is yung susundan kong tutorial and kung saan ko ilalagay yung farm. So, I think magiging lagi yung farm. So, I'm thinking I'm gonna put it under here since wala naman masyado yung bagay-bagay under here, let's see. I just need to double check the tutorial for errors kasi this is my first time doing this cow farm. New cow farm design. I never tried this farm before, so there you go. Okay, I'm just following. I'm not sure if I will include this, but I think I'm gonna skip this because I need to follow the steps ng tutorial and then I need to do it my own way. I think it will be long, so let me just cut it for you guys. I'll just update you guys whenever I can. Okay, we're done with our project, guys. We're done. Basically, ito yung nakita kong contraption sa online. A basic contraption lang. We have dispenser below na merong lamang lava. And then we have redstone line going papunta sa dispenser. And we have here observer. I don't know what's the purpose of that observer, but yeah. Basically, kapag press mo yung button, it will look like this. And then after nun, disappear na siya. And I think that's enough time to kill the cows. And then over here, we have, the water dispenser para kapag magbe-breed tayo ng cows. And we have here some fence after natin malagay yung cows dito. Now, the problem is kung paano natin dadalhin yung mga cows dito. I thought of a plan. Not sure if it's gonna work, but it is still a good plan, right? So, we're basically gonna block every area right here, and then we'll just make the cows come down here. So, sabi max cows would be 24 cows. So let's see one by one. Okay, you got out. Okay, 2, 3. You have 3, and let's bring them. I think it's over here. Oh no, it's not there. Where is it? Oh no. Hey. Calm down. Okay. Still got 4. We got 2. We got 3. Okay. You're a tough guy, huh? Got 4. We got 4 in. We got 4 in. Okay. I think we need to sleep. This is tiring, bro. Okay, cool. Okay, tough guy. We got 10 inside. Okay. Bring them down. Then here we got kids, baby cows. And then eventually they'll grow old and they'll turn big and then it will be automated. That's cool. Whew, we actually did something this fucking episode, bro. We actually did something, guys. Holy. Kung umabot kayo sa dulo ng episode, maraming salamat sa panonood. Pasensya na kung kokonti lang yung na-accomplish natin sa episode 2. Ang nagawa lang natin is yung cow farm, yung enchantment table. Wala pa tayong place for enchantment table, pero yeah, we did manage to make the enchantment table. We also went to the netherworld to get some quartz. And we still have no update regarding our house since wala pa talaga akong idea kung ano yung best or kung ano yung magandang design para sa kanya since inamin ko naman sa inyo hindi talaga ako into creative side of Minecraft. Though I am trying to be more creative, that's why I made this let's play. But yun guys, kung nakaabot kayo sa dulo ng episode, maraming salamat. Sa third episode, let's see what we can do, if we can do some things regarding dito sa place natin or maybe kailangan natin i-finish na yung magiging enchantment table natin or if not, baka pwede na natin simulan yung ating spawner, ang ating skeleton spawner or maybe yung zombie spawner. Whichever comes first, sana supportahan nyo ako and see you guys on the next episode. Bye!